What's up everyone, Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back today with another model unboxing and review video. This time we have the Phoenix models Lufthansa A340-600 in the old livery. Registration Delta-Alpha India Hotel Papa. I decided to pick this one up as I have the Phoenix models, the Star Alliance one from many years ago. Decided to get the old livery, and I have the new livery on order as well to have the whole A340-600 fleet. So I'm super excited to get that completed here in the near future, hopefully once that new livery one arrives. But with that being said, let's get right on into this one. Here's a beautiful picture. I believe this, I forget which part of Germany this is. I should know this. I just can't think at the moment. But yeah, it's not Munich. I'm not 100% sure, but beautiful box art though. Interesting at the back, the front, the side there. But yeah, so let's get right on into it. Let's open this guy up. See this long boy, A340-600. Wow. It's not gonna be a whole lot to talk about with this one. It's the old livery, but it's pretty plain. There's a lot of just white. Yeah, so I'm very excited to have this, as I say, you know, kind of complete that A340-600 collection here, and I'm just waiting for that new livery one. But here's the old livery one. I'm very excited. Oh wow, beautiful. Oh man, it's crazy how long they are. The A340-600s. I only have a couple of these in the collection. This is, I think, my third one, if I remember correctly. Now, so very happy. Alrighty, here we go. Look at that long boy. Wow, it's just incredible. I always forget how long it really is, in terms of a Model 2. Wow, but looks beautiful nonetheless. Let's get right on into it. Here we go. Starting off, we got the Star Alliance logo there, the little Lufthansa logo, and the A340-600 right there, Lufthansa titles, and you got the beacon, antenna, and a little sort of antenna bump right there, a little dish or something, satellite dish or something. Hotel Papa there on the gear, and that's looking very nice. This aircraft doesn't actually have a name, surprisingly. I guess some just don't have that. But there's the L1 door, and then moving along all these windows. L2 door right there. Overwing exit, and then the engines, very, very nice, looking good. Wings, very nice. That sort of flex downwards, how the droop that they have, which is pretty accurate, very nice. You can take a look at that like so. It's very nice. I'm quite happy with that, how that looks. And then you got the antenna at the back there, Wi-Fi dome, I believe, and another antenna. L3 door, main door, and then Lufthansa.com and the registration with the German flag back there in L4. And the bird on the tail there, and the beautiful yellow. I do miss this, I'm not gonna lie. Got Hotel Pop-Up in the tail there, right there. But very nice. I really do miss the yellow on the Lufthansa livery. But it is what it is. Yeah, got that gray underbelly looking very nice on this aircraft. Take a head-on look at it. There we go. Very, very nice. Spin around to this side. Got the cargo door up at the front here. A lot of car's belly space there. And then at the back right here. And the bulk bin door is right there. So that's pretty much it in terms of this model. We'll take a look at the top-down view. Some small overwing exit markings, and then on the bottom it's just all gray. Gears looking pretty good. Rolls not too bad. Not wobbly, not broken or anything. Pretty solid. Pretty solid. I'm not gonna complain about it. The engines, the fan blades, this is solid. These actually look pretty good. This is an old. This I believe is the same mold from years ago. I don't think they've really changed. I mean, they might have added some more aerials or whatnot, but I really don't think much has changed in terms of the actual mold. Oh, it looks like there's a little imperfection right there. But overall, the engines actually look pretty good. The fan blades look pretty good, and they're not hollow. from what I can tell, which is different and nice. Got the little red antenna under there as well, which is very nice, and all the antennas on the top per usual. So yeah, very, very nice model overall. I'm very happy to have this, and I'm very excited to get the new livery one, just to have all three in the collection here eventually. So yeah. I'm not sure how many more of these are going to be available, but I say, pick it up, because realistically, these guys, Phoenix, are the only ones that really release the model, this kind of aircraft, the A340-600. I don't know when the last time Gemini Jets released one, if they even have the mole still or whatnot, I don't know. JC Wings might, but yeah. Anyways, guys, that's going to do it for this video, so I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe for more ball unboxing and review videos, as well as other content. And with that being said, guys, I will see you in the next video. Take care.